Do you find yourself using fillers and verbal crutches when you speak? You know those ums, ahs, and like that break up your sentences. Removing fillers and verbal crutches when you speak can greatly improve your communication skills and make you sound more confident and articulate. Don't worry, we've got you covered. In this video, we will teach you some tried and true methods to eliminate those pesky fillers and verbal crutches, allowing you to speak more fluently and confidently. So, here you go. Here are some tips to help you reduce or eliminate these habits. Number one, awareness. The first step is to become aware of your fillers and crutches. Most people are not aware of where they are going wrong. Record yourself speaking or ask a friend or colleague to point them out. Common fillers include like, so, and basically. Pay attention to when and why you use them. Are you nervous, thinking too fast, or unsure about what to say next? Taking note of these triggers will help you better understand your habits. Number two, practice pausing. Instead of using fillers when you're uncertain or need a moment to gather your thoughts, practice pausing. A brief pause is completely acceptable and can make you appear more thoughtful. It's better to pause and collect your thoughts than to fill the gap with filler words. Number three, be mindful. Be mindful of when you use fillers. Are there specific situations or topics that trigger them? Understanding your patterns can help you work on them more effectively. Number four, prepare. If you know you will be speaking in public or discussing a particular topic, prepare well in advance. Having a clear structure and key points in your mind can reduce the need for fillers in the first place. Number five, speak slowly. Speaking too quickly can lead to more fillers. Slow down your speech and you'll have more time to choose your words carefully. Number six, use concise language. Practice using concise and specific language. Often, people resort to fillers when they are not sure how to express something. If you can be more precise, you are less likely to use fillers. Another helpful technique is to replace fillers with transitional phrases. Instead of saying or like, use phrases such as now, moving on, or let's consider. These give you a momentary pause while giving meaning to your speech. Number seven, replace those fillers with some silence. Instead of saying replace them with a brief moment of silence. This not only eliminates fillers but allows you to collect your thoughts and speak more clearly. Take a breath, gather your ideas, continue speaking. This can make you appear more confident and composed. Number eight, what about public speaking training? Consider taking a public speaking or a communication course. Professional trainers can provide valuable feedback and techniques for improving your speech. Number nine, try meditating and breathing. Techniques such as meditation and controlled breathing can help you stay calm and focused, reducing the urge to use fillers. Number 10, ask for feedback. Be proactive. Ask for feedback from others. They can help you identify your specific fillers and provide constructive criticism. Number 11, practice, practice, and practice. Reducing fillers and verbal crutches takes practice and takes time. Work on them every day in everyday conversations, and you'll gradually become more aware of and become in control and be in control of your speech habits. Remember, practice makes you perfect. Challenge yourself to speak without fillers in everyday conversations, presentations, or even in front of the mirror. The more you practice, the smoother and more confident your speech will become. Number 12, seek role models. Listen to speakers or communicators you admire. Pay attention to how they speak and handle pauses. You can learn a lot by observing effective communicators. Surround yourself with supportive people, seek feedback from friends, or join a public speaking club. They can suggest improvements and help hold you accountable for eliminating fillers. Remember, breaking the habit of using fillers and verbal crutches may take time, so be patient with yourself. The key is to be aware of the problem and actively work on improving your speaking skills. Over time, you'll become a more effective and confident communicator. So there you have it. By being aware of your fillers, practicing pausing, using transitional phrases, and seeking support, you'll be well on your way to mastering fluent speech. Now go out there and express yourself with clarity and confidence. Thank you for watching this video. If you found this video helpful, be sure to subscribe to our channel for more valuable tips and tricks. Happy speaking.